Now I'm going to smell it here, and then I'll let you smell it. That's right. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the doTERRA LRP unboxing for May. And this is really exciting because this is like Christmas in a box for me. Every month I get to open up wellness, and this is really important because the LRP stands for the Loyalty Rewards Program. Like a frequent flyer program, the more you use, the more you get to save, and the more free products you get. So I'm going to open it up right now, and you see it? Oh, technically it's already opened up. There we go. So we got some bubble wrap. I'm just gonna put that off to the side. Have my information. Put that off to the side, and let's see what we got. All right, so you can kind of see everything here. We're gonna start off with the digestive enzymes. So these are really important for breaking down cooked foods. So anytime you eat cooked foods, it's important to have enzymes because these break down the fibers, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and you only have a limited amount of enzymes in your body. And so it's important to supplement with something that's natural and safe. And you can see here on the supplement facts label, there's over 10 different types of enzymes, as well as the tummy tamer blend to help support your digestion. And your digestion is a very important part of your immune system. And so when you support your digestion, you support your immune system, which is especially important during these times. And we're gonna put that off to the side. Next, we have the PB Assist, stands for the Probiotic Assistance Plus. And these are going to support the beneficial microorganisms in your body. And you can see there's a number of them right here. There you go. And it also has the prebiotic, which feeds the probiotics. And that's the FOS, or short chain prebiotic. There you go. All right, put that off to the side. And those are a part of my supplement regimen, and specifically the Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is doTERRA's best-selling product. This is the vegan version. And there's also a normal version without plant-based. These, I like to call these the three amigos because they support your overall wellness, help you feel better. And the first amigo is the Vegan Microplex VMZ Food Nutrient Complex. It's a whole food complex, and you can see all the ingredients are right here. So these are whole food ingredients. It's not just what you eat, right? You are what you eat, but more importantly, you are what you absorb. And a lot of food nutrients, specifically from other supplement companies, don't get absorbed into your cells because the molecules or the particles aren't small enough. And so these are designed to go inside your cells so they can get those benefits. And I'll keep scrolling down. Whole food blend in here, as well as the active enzyme blend and the tummy tamer blend. So if you hear a pattern with the tummy tamer blend, that means digestion is very important, and that's a part of the gut-brain axis, which is or gut-brain axis. And so that's a really important part of your immune system, as we mentioned earlier. Next, we're going to get into VE Omega, which is the essential fatty acids, 3, 6, and 9. And you want to make sure the ratio is on point so you don't get too many inflammatory oils, which typically you get from fried foods. And so it's important to get more omega-3s if you're getting more heat-treated oils. And so you can see here it has vitamins, it's got minerals, it also has the essential oil blend as well as the carotenoid blend, and all the oils in here are, you have clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, and German chamomile. And so these are going to support your brain health, your muscle, and your joint health as well. And so these are really important to supplement because the standard American diet, or SAD, the SAD diet, is just that. It's very sad, and it does not support your overall wellness. And these are the opposite of that because they help fill in the gap from what the SAD diet doesn't give you. We're going to keep going. We have the, oh goodness, Alpha CRS Plus. This is going to give you cellular energy without caffeine, without sugar. And I'm going to go over the ingredients here. You can see a lot of plant-based and botanical extracts. Boom, boom, boom. You have the cellular energy blend, and then the doTERRA tummy tamer blend once again. So again, digestion is going to be a very important part of this, and these are going to support the mitochondria of your cells, your red blood cells, and the mitochondria are like the little engines of your cells. All right, so there you go. Next, we're going to go on to some of the products that are in limited quantities for this month due to everything going on. And this is the On Guard Foaming Hand Wash, and this, I have the dispenser in my bathroom and kitchen, and this is really great for a green, non-toxic cleaner that cleans your hands and supports the beneficial microorganisms, not the harmful ones. And I love the way it just feels. The hand feel once you kind of put it into your hands is really great. And I was running out of these, and I'm sad I can only get one per month because I actually wanted to get a lot more, but I can't right now. The next one is the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. And so as you can see here, you can use this for your dishes, you can use this to clean surfaces, as well as the toilet and sinks in your bathroom or your kitchen. And so this is going to be very important. This is also in limited quantities due to what's going out there in the world, but it has a great smell. And I put this basically in wherever I need to clean. And I have my own dispenser bottle, and usually it's plastic, but if I have a glass one, that's going to be ideal. And then we're going to keep going here with the On Guard toothpaste. So this is a natural whitening toothpaste, and it's fluoride free, so it does not affect your pineal gland in a negative way. This is going to support your, your just your mouth health, oral health, throat health, and support your immune system. So this is really important. So stress is one of the biggest things that reduces your immune system, specifically turning off your just your digestion, and because the stress, think of like running from a tiger. Like you need all that energy and blood flow and everything to go to your extremities, like your limbs and your legs, to run, but not so much your immune system digestion. And so that's why managing stress levels is important, but this supports your immune system directly. So this is a product you can use. And then we have a couple oils. I had Breathe here. Breathe is one of my favorite oils. It helps you do just that. It's a respiratory blend, which is especially helpful during these times. And it has laurel leaf, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, ravinsara, and ravinsara oil, all in a convenient blend that you can use topically or aromatically. I have other videos which you can check those out for. And I love the smell. It's a very natural way to support your immune system. And that's all the essential oils are. They're just the immune system of the plant that are cold pressed or steam distilled and extracted and bottled so that you can support your own immune system. And a healthy immune system, this is important, this is the thing that a lot of people don't factor in, but in a healthy immune system, nothing harmful can survive. And so when you have a healthy immune system, you're supporting so many different areas of your body. All right, and the free product of the month for any 125 point order or more, which is what I qualified for this month, is the Citrus Twist. I'm actually really excited because this is a new blend, and this is called the Refreshing Blend. Now let's see what's in it. This is different than the Citrus Bliss. This is the Citrus Twist. Okay, so they rhyme. But this has wild orange, has lemongrass, interesting, ginger, litsi, and some more ginger. Okay, there's two types of ginger. Okay, I'm not going to try to pronounce their technical names because I will slaughter those pronunciations, but just know there's two gingers in here. Now I'm going to smell it here, and then I'll let you smell it. That's right. Oh, yep, I can smell the ginger. Is this for topical? Aromatic. For aromatic or topical. Okay, so not internal. It's not recommended for internal. But yeah, I definitely smell the ginger. That's I smell the lemongrass. I'm trying to get the wild orange. It's not hitting me. But if you could smell this, I'll put it up to the camera. There you go. You can't smell it. But if you could, you would just take my word for it that it smells like ginger and lemongrass put together. I don't really smell the wild orange, but it's okay. So the benefits of this, I can tell, are going to support your mood. You're going to support your digestion if you rub this on your stomach area. You want to use a fractionated coconut oil if you're going to do it topically so it doesn't cause any irritation, and so the essential oil can absorb better into your skin and then your bloodstream. And then if you're going to use any citrus oils, this is for the disclaimer for all the negative commenters that have left things in my past videos. But if you go outside, just make sure to use sun protection, something natural with the zinc oxide, and you want to use that before you put any citrus oils on. And if you do stay out more than 15 minutes, you want to use sun protection because the citrus oils can cause photosensitivity, and that's just important to keep in mind when you're going out in the sun. Typically you just need about 15-20 minutes of sun anyway. When I go out, I just put the organic and raw coconut oil or doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil on first, and then that's going to give you about 8 SPF. And then just get a little bit of sun, get back in, get that D3 vitamin there, right? And then you can go on your way. All right, and let's see. That's pretty much it. I know I have like 200 points when I looked in my back office that I'm going to use for June to get free products. This month was more just kind of replenishing what I could. But other than that, that concludes today's doTERRA LRP video. Make sure to check out any of the videos that are product specific on my channel. You can just type in the product name and then Lance McGowan. And then other than that, just keep in mind that whatever we do to get well, it's important we do to stay well. And it's not about getting ready, it's about staying ready. And it's really important to make sure we focus on proactive wellness, not reactive wellness. So reactive wellness is just waiting until we're in a ditch, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, or even financially, and then trying to do something about it. But if what you do every day is focus on progress instead of perfection, you can actually attain a higher quality of life. And that's what a doTERRA LRP has done for me since November of 2013. So I've been on this wellness journey and it's been really great. And I know that my skin, digestion, energy, immune system would not be as good as they are today without essential oils. And I will also say this supports your emotions too. So being able to breathe them in, specifically oils, yeah, like breathe, but also, you know, citrus oils like this, because they go into the limbic part of your brain, which controls your mood and emotions. And so breathing in the oils is the fastest way to positively affect your mood, which is why you can go into a bathroom and if it stinks, you just want to get out of there. Or when you smell some food, it could, you know, make you hungry, and it's because your limbic system is at work. All right. Other than that, that concludes everything. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I will see you in the next video.